So today we will discuss with you about compound interest and annuity chapters. So what is compound interest? Compound interest can be defined as interest on interest or interest on money that was previously earned as interest. The uses of compound interest are for financial planning, investment, budgeting, and saving insurance. Here's are some formulas that we will be using for this chapter.
Hi, my name is Nurul Christina binti Norma Martini. Today I'm going to explain you guys the questions 1 of part A, question A. In which bank would you suggest Madam Rohaya invest her RM 10,000 for 3 years? Give your reason and show your workings. Based on this question, we need to search the future value of bank A. To use the formula of future value, we need to use the S equal to P1 plus I and the power of N, which is RM 10,000 multiplied with 1 plus with 0.055 divided with 4 and the power of N is 12. And the final answer will be RM 11,780 ringgit and 68 cents for the bank A. For the bank B, we still use the same formula to search for the future value, which is S equal to P 1 plus I and the power of N, which is RM 10,000 multiplied with 1 plus with 0.052 divided with 12 and the power of N will get, which is 36. And the final answer will be RM 11,684 ringgit and 32 cents. I think Bank A will be suited for Madam Rohaya to invest her money because Bank A offer high returns of money and maturity value. Next, I'm going to explain you guys about the question B. If Madam Rohaya invests RM 13,000 in Bank A for 5 years and 6 months, what is the amount of interest obtained when the investment period ends? By this question, we need to search for the two things, which is future value and interest obtained. We still use the same formula for the future value, which is S equal to P1 plus I and the power of N. The first step is we need to search for the future value of this question, which is RM 13,000 multiplied with 1 plus with 0.055 divided with 4 and the power of N, which is 22. The final answer we will get is RM 17,555 ringgit and 87 cents. The second step is we need to search for the interest obtained, and we need to use the formula of I equal to S minus with P, which is RM 17,555 ringgit 87 cents, which is stand for future value, need to minus with the principal, which is RM 13,000, and the final answer we will get is RM 4,555 ringgit and 87 cents.
Okay, so let's move on to the question C. Madam Rohaya wants to have RM 28,000 in 4.5 years. She is interested in investing in Bank B. How much should she start with? In this case, we are going to use the formula of S equal to P, bracket 1 plus I, bracket the power of N. Now that we have the value of S, we have K, M and also T given, we just need to find the P. You need to insert all values in the formulas and you will get the answer. The answer for this question is RM 22,000 ringgit 169.34 cents. D. Madam Rohaya wishes to invest RM 28,000 in Bank A. Her target is to accumulate RM 60,500 by the end of maturity period. How long should she wait to reach that amount? Alright, for this question, we're still going to use the same formula, that is S equal to P, bracket 1 plus I, bracket the power of N. But the calculation is going to be different. Since we need to find the power of N, we will be using log. So after you have inserted the formula, the next thing you are going to do is divide RM 60,500 with RM 28,000. Bring the P all the way to the left side. After you have found each of the value, add log to each side. Why is it 40 log? Because N equal to MT. We already have M, so our job is to find T. We just use calculator, then you will get the answer is 14 years.
So an annuity is a contract between you and an insurance company that provides you with a series of payments in exchange for a premium or premiums you pay. So the benefits of annuities is that benefits, the insurer will pay out at least the amounts you paid in. Besides living benefits, annuities can pay out in lump sums or provide a guaranteed income for life.
And here is some formula in annuity that we will be using for the next question.
Hi, so let's do the next question. XX Bank offers a personal loan of 30,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly. The customer has to pay back the loan through monthly payments for 5 years. A. Find the monthly payment. First, for a question, we need to find the R, so 30,000 is equal to R. We open the big bracket and subtract 1 from what is in the bracket, which is 1 plus 0.045 per 12 and the square minus 60. The way to get N in the formula is compounded monthly multiplied by years. So 12 divided by 5 years, we will get 60. First, we solve the bracket first so that in the bracket, we will get R bracket 0.798852323 divided by 0.045 per 12. After being able to complete the brackets, we need to divide the answer by 30,000. So our final answer for R is 559.29 cents. For question B, if want to immediately after paying the 48 payment, the customer decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. For question B, now we need to find A in this question. First, we will write the formula A first and find the number N in the formula. Here the question is wanting to pay after the 48 payment. So the amount of R that we calculated earlier, we entered, so it will be A equal to 559 ringgit 29 cents, big bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 0.045 per 12, and the square minus 12. How can I get 12? 60 minus 48 will get 12. After that, as usual, we will solve the bracket first. So 1 plus 0.045 per 12 and the square minus 12, you will get 0.956077946. After finish counting everything, we will get 6,557.1 cents.
So, question 2. Danish took a personal loan of 15,000 ringgit and paid equal monthly payments for 6 years at an interest rate of 4.4% compounded monthly. The question is, find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. So, by using the formula A equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I. The A is 15,000 ringgit equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.044 power of negative 72 over 0.044 over 12. The answer for R is 237 ringgit 42 cents. So to find the interest, NR minus A, which N is 72, R is 237 ringgit 42 cents, and minus with 15,000. So the answer is 2,094 ringgit 24 cents. The question B is, if Danish failed to pay the first 4 monthly payments, find the amount she had to pay on the 5th payment to settle the outstanding areas. So the formula is S equals to R in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So 237 ringgit 42 cents in bracket 1 plus 11 per 3,000 power of 5 minus 1 and over 11 over 3,000. So the answer is 1,195 ringgit 84.
Alright, so that's all from us. Thank you for watching.